Hello Linux folks, I'm Abhishek from Linux Handbook and I'm going to show you a little command which you should be using every day in your life. It's called tail and it deals with lines in a text file. Let's see how to use tail to manipulate the lines and even monitor a file in real life. Here we go. I'm going to use this file agatha.txt. As you can see, the file has 20 lines in it. I'm going to keep it open here in the side so that when I run the command, show you the examples, you can verify what is going on with the files because it deals mainly with the lines. So if you use tail command without any options, just the file name, it will show you the last 10 lines of the file. So as you can see, these are the last 10 lines of the file agatha.txt. But that's not the only way. You can specify how many lines you want to see from the end. So for example, if you want to see the last 5 lines from the end of the file, you just specify with the minus n followed by the number of lines. The minus n is not necessary. You can just skip that. The next example is when you want to show all the lines starting from the line number which you are specifying. So for example, if you want to see all the lines starting from the line number 12, just give it the plus sign. You can also use multiple files with tail. So here I'm using 2 files and will show the last 10 lines of both files in here. You can use the options as any regular file with the multiple files as well. So this one will show the last 3 lines of both files. One major use of tail command is in monitoring files in real time. So you just have to use tail minus f and the name of the file, log file or any file. For example, here I'm doing tail minus f agatha.txt and now I'll just increase the size and let me use the cat command to add a few new lines to it. So let me write something, a new line, and as you can see it showed you the line as soon as it was added in real time. So this is very helpful when you have to monitor the log files or a file which is continuously changing. Tail is what you need. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more Linux learnings. See you next time. Bye bye.